Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. Sorry about the 3-month hiatus. Had to take care of my hand and my wrist, but we're all healed up now and everything, and we're ready to get back on that 63 because we got to get that finished before the winter comes in. I appreciate you guys hanging on with me and everything, and I hope that I can get some more content out for you to watch. Thank you to all my subscribers and everybody that's following me, and get well wishes and stuff, the comments that I got from everybody. So I say we go ahead and get right to it. Doesn't help when you got a fly flying around in your face. Oh, here we go. Ah, finally. Got the son of a gun. Could say the B word, but I'm not going to. It's not gonna do me any good. It almost won. All right, let's get this off of here and call it a day. God dang it. Shit, wrong way. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if I did it right. There we go, guys. Fender is out. Okay. That's where that mounting bracket goes. So I got to get all this replaced or make me a new one so that I could bolt this back on. Not good. I was afraid of that. All right, so as I was saying, on the fender, okay, that bolt wouldn't spin, and once it got spinning, all it did was just shred that metal right there. Okay, whew. Got a little lightheaded there. And then, so here's that piece right here. It's got the bolt still in it, and I'm gonna end up having to, maybe I could use a clamp or something. I mean, look at how rusted that is. Maybe I can soak it and do some vice grips and get it off of there. And then here's, that's not too bad actually. The rocker panel don't look too bad. You just got to clean up all that there. You know, come up this way here. It looks fairly clean. I think we're going to be okay with it. Just knock off some of that undercoating. Change that plug, and then we can go ahead and primer. So, anyways, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. Okay, I'm going to clean that up, and we're going to call it a day. Let's see right here. That's where that stubborn was at, right there. Right there. Yeah, tell me that wasn't fun getting to it. Sheesh. All right. Yeah. Well, you guys saw what I got to go through. This sucks, but it's got to get done. It's got to get done. So anyways, next time, hopefully tomorrow, I'll go ahead and show you guys the cleanup. We'll go ahead and clean that up, get it all sanded down, ready for primer. And I say we primer. All right. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks to all my subscribers, to everybody who has subscribed. If you haven't, you know, this is what you're gonna get. Check out my other videos, see if you like it. If you don't, hey, no biggie. I'm just having fun with it. Hit the like at least, you know, that'll help me. But anyways, thanks everybody for watching my 63 restoration. This is the Old Farts Garage, and we'll see you later.